Hello everyone, Christian here with Pipe Doctor Home Services. Today we're looking at this A.O. Smith tankless gas water heater. Asked the customer to turn on a hose or a faucet inside. And right now we're just looking around. The gas is on. I asked if they have a stove or anything that uses gas, and they said yes. And they said other appliances they use gas works. So I'm gonna get this cover off and see what I see, but it's like someone's been in here doing something at some point. They didn't put the cover back on. But I'm gonna get this cover off and we'll see what's going on. Okay, so panel's off. This wasn't in place, it's missing a screw. World. Is that for power? Okay. It looks like we got some nests in here. I don't see anything in them. I think they're all dead. But, geez Louise, they don't look pretty. Okay. Alright, so first thing I'm gonna do is make sure that I actually do have gas here. And then I'll know, definitely have gas, so we know that's not a problem. And then we'll start worrying about everything else. Man, the board didn't look pretty either. Okay. All right. While I was looking around really quick, got those dead nests down there, but that one, they're alive in there. Jeez Louise. Okay. I'm gonna see if I got some spray for them. Jeez, scared me. Okay, so I've only worked on a couple tankless water heaters, but for this one, it looks like I've got power coming in down here, and that goes into here, and I think it also goes to that transformer there, and I think, let's see, because where does this come from? That goes to the transformer, this one. This one goes to the transformer. I'm assuming this is supposed to be the transformer's high voltage, and then I think the low voltage comes out in those two brown wires. I've got nothing out of the brown wires coming from the transformer, and I've got nothing, because I've got nothing here either. I don't even know if the switch does nothing. I'm assuming that would just kill low voltage to just stop the unit from running. So right now, my high voltage is just stopping here. That seems to be my problem. So I'm guessing, I'm gonna call A.O. Smith and find out, but my guess is that I need this little board here. We'll see. And I do have gas. I took that cap off, closed off the valve here, and took the cap off, opened it back up, and then I had gas blowing out at me. Closed it back, put the cap back on. So I'm gonna call A.O. Smith and see if we can get this board or what. Okay, so I'm on hold with A.O. Smith right now. I tried to talk to the customer. She wants me to call the husband. The husband didn't answer the phone. Voicemail is full. So just once again, I'm gonna go over this. I get power into here, and it looks like this is where I'm supposed to get power out of to feed the transformer, and then comes back out on the brown wires there. And then that comes down here to this board after it gets, I'm assuming, turned into 24 volts. But I've got power here, nothing here, so transformer can't turn no voltage into voltage. So I'm gonna get a price from A.O. Smith for the part, and I'll give the customer, if I get them to answer the phone, a price for the part versus maybe just replacing the thing since it's 10 years old. And I don't know if there's gonna be anything else wrong with it after we fix the, after we replace that board there. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. All right, so just got off the phone with the A.O. Smith, gentleman from A.O. Smith. I told him what I had going on here, and just before calling him, I noticed that these were fuses in here. Didn't notice that at first, so right before he picked up the phone, I was able to check those. The fuses are good, so it's not just a fuse issue. So he does need the board, and he gave me a price for the board, so I'll talk to the customer now if I can get a hold of him. If not, if I have to talk to the wife, she's probably going to tell me to just, you know, give us prices and we'll see. I'll talk to my husband, is what I'm assuming is going to happen. But so it is this board that they need. So I'll get them prices for replacing the board and let them know, you know, I'm not going to know if there's anything else wrong with this. There probably will be. Just at how everything looks, the way that board looks and all the nests and everything building up in here. But hopefully they'd replace this thing and not just try and fix it, because I bet you if I replace this board, I doubt it'll work, but we'll see. We'll see. But that's it for this one. If you guys like watching, please give it a like. Thanks for watching. And have a great day.